Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to view your Messenger account login history on your iPhone, specifically for iOS 18 and later versions. This is a crucial security feature that allows you to monitor and ensure that no unauthorized devices have access to your account. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Messenger app installed on your iPhone. Open the app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. It's represented by three horizontal lines. Tap on it. From the menu options that appear, you'll need to access your account settings. Simply tap on Settings. Now, within your Messenger account settings, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Tap on it to proceed. In the Privacy and Security menu, locate and tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Then, in the following menu, tap on Security Alerts. Next, you'll see the option to View Logins. Tap on it. This will display a list of all your previous login sessions. To get more detailed information about a specific login session, simply tap on the device name listed. This will provide you with additional details, including the last seen time, the registered login key, and the date of the login. And that's it. You've successfully viewed your Messenger account login history on your iPhone. This is a great way to keep your account secure. Also note to regularly check this section for any suspicious activity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help our channel grow. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.